everyone, this is V with Real Journal Talk and welcome to my channel. And for those who are new, thanks for joining. So today's video is going to be my cash stuffing envelope for paycheck 2 for the month of April. If you're interested in watching, please continue to watch. Alright you guys, so I am going to allocate my cash envelopes for this paycheck, for the second paycheck in April. And I already went to the bank to withdraw the amount that I used to put per category. And so let's go ahead and just count this up. It's 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, and 20, 40, 60. So that's 360 that I have. And as of now, I'm using this Philo Fax that I have. And so one of my categories that I do is, of course, groceries. You have to have a groceries category. And I do 140. So it looks like I have $40 that was left over. And I was debating if I should just add on to this or if I should actually set it to the side and place it in my savings account since I didn't use it. And I'm thinking that's probably what I'll do going forward if I have any leftover from one of these categories. So I'm just going to take this 40 out, and I'm going to go ahead and just put in what I typically would do per pay period. So it's 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, and 20, and 40. Because I do 140. Okay. And the next category, it looks like, is the kids. So of course, if you watch my budget video on my paycheck to paycheck, I do $10 per child for chores. And it looks like the little ones decided they didn't want their chore money. So I'm going to take this out as well and then just put in a new 20. I could have actually left that in and just moved that over, but it's here or there. So I'm putting in 20 for this upcoming paycheck, and maybe this time they'll use it. The next one is gas. I do 40 per pay period. And so, of course, gas is empty because I have to have gas in the vehicle, so that was gone. 20, 40. And then cleaning, I do 20. I may increase that just because I'm noticing that some of the items in the store, the prices have gone up. And so I may increase that for probably next month. But right now I'm just going to stick with what I'm doing, and that's 20. And then we have the movie, which is where I use if we rent something from Redbox, or if we want to order something off of the cable, we can just have that already allocated out. So that's 20. And then, of course, I do a sinking fund for taxes because taxes will be approaching me this upcoming August. And so I'm doing 40 per pay period. So since this is a sinking fund, I will leave this in and not take it out like I did the other ones. So it's 40, 20, 40. And as you can see, I still have the money in here from the previous pay periods. And then the YouTube, that's the one where I'm actually getting any type of supplies that I may need, or if I want to, just order something that I think will help with the channel. Or if not, then once I do a giveaway, I'll use what's in this envelope to help do a nice giveaway. Let's see. And I do I do 40, yeah. 20, 40. almost forgot there for a second. And then personal, that's just for myself. I have, let's see, what do I have left in here? 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So I think I'm going to take that out and then do 40 like I would do. And so just comment down below and tell me what you're doing when you're doing your budgeting for cash envelopes, if you're doing the cash envelopes. And let me know, if you have money left over, are you taking the money out and putting in like your savings account, since you originally wasn't going to have it, if you were going to spend it, or if you're leaving it in your cash envelope and just adding to it so you just have double the amount needed. Just comment down below and let me know your thoughts. So that's basically it for this Paycheck 2 cash envelope stuffing. Thanks for watching. Please remember to share, comment, and subscribe. Bye.